Today I want to show you the MyPilotPro Grizzly off-road GoPro mount. It's designed to be attached to roll bars and tubular railings on off-road vehicles like ATVs, UTVs, and overland vehicles like Jeeps. The Grizzly comes in 4 sizes to accommodate roll bar or railing diameter from a 1/2 inch all the way up to 2.5 inch diameter. Each mount comes with a neoprene spacer pack that allows you to adjust the inside diameter of the mount a full 1/2 inch. This allows a very precise fit for your specific needs. The neoprene spacers also assist in mitigating any vibration making its way to your camera. The body of the mount is made from tough glass-filled nylon, which is known for its rigidity and strength. This polymer is also used in the manufacturing of gun frames as well as the engine components. The mount features stainless steel hardware throughout and has 2 safety features that prevent the mount from coming loose once it is secured on your roll bar or railing. We are authorized RAM mount partners and feature their patented 1-inch GoPro ball adapter on the Grizzly. This allows you to rotate your camera in virtually any angle or direction. The mount body on the Grizzly is injected molded right here in Montana, and we source all the hardware and components of the mount in the United States as well. Because we can control the entire manufacturing process from start to finished product, we provide a lifetime guarantee on the Grizzly so you can buy with confidence.